Have you ever thought, what could I do to make $1 million? So today we'll go over the key takeaways from Grant Cardone's book, The Millionaire Booklet. Let's get started. Welcome to Cashflow Canvas, where we teach lessons about investment and money-saving techniques. If you want to make your financial future better, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. Step 1. Adopt the millionaire attitude. According to Grant Cardone, the first step in becoming a millionaire is to decide you want to be one. We can't hit a target if we don't know what it is. Cardone believes that this is more than just a decision. It is a commitment to yourself and people around you. Most likely, you are not doing this solely for yourself. Once you've made this commitment, start removing some of the mental hurdles that are standing in your way of prosperity. You know, wealthy individuals think very differently from the typical person. For example, what is your opinion of wealthy people? Is it favorable or negative? If you have a bad attitude about affluent individuals, how can you hope to become one? Another excellent example is the topic of sales. Because selling is an important element of making money, many individuals believe it is bad or unethical. Meanwhile, many wealthy individuals feel the exact opposite. Many people believe that not selling what you have to offer is unethical, since it deprives the world of ideas that have the power to alter people's lives. Many people assume that wanting a lot of money is selfish or greedy, whereas affluent people see money as a direct result of the value they bring. Our money ideas influence our financial behaviors, which in turn influence our outcomes. So it is critical to begin with our thinking. Step 2. Do the millionaire math. It is much easier to reach any objective when you understand the actions you must take to get there. Money is easier to design a plan to acquire $1 million by performing what Cardone refers to as millionaire math and understanding how money is made. Grant Cardone's book breaks down the various ways to make $1 million. If you earn $50,000 a year as an employee, it will take you 20 years to reach the $1 million mark. If you earn $250,000 per year, it will take you 4 years to reach $1 million. If you earn $500,000 each year, it will take you 2 years to get there. If you offer a product that costs $100 a unit, you'll need to sell 10,000 units to earn $1 million. If you earn $1,000 each unit, you'll need to sell 1,000 units. With a $10,000 product, you need to sell 100 units to reach your $1 million objective. If you sell a service or a subscription and charge $278 per month, you just need 300 customers to reach the $1 million milestone. Your goal is to determine what you will offer, the price point at which you can sell it, and the number of individuals required to reach your $1 million target. Step 3. Increase your revenue. According to Cardone, increasing your income is the first step toward achieving true and sustainable wealth. Aside from the financial gains, striving to increase your income has two major advantages. One benefit is that you develop the abilities required to create money, which will come in handy when new possibilities arise. 2. You acquire a belief that you have what it takes to succeed financially. This builds confidence. Cardone recommends starting by raising your current salary. If you have already maxed out on your existing income, you can begin to generate more revenue from sources related to it. Cardone advises caution when beginning new ventures, since they can divert your attention away from your primary source of income, increasing the chance of losing it and causing you to fall behind on your financial goals. This is why Cardone advises developing a new stream of revenue that is tied to your primary source of money. For example, if you're a fitness trainer, launching a YouTube channel or selling supplements could help you improve your income without having to start from scratch. Step 4. Who has my money? Once you've determined what you'll sell, your pricing point, and how many people you'll need to make your first million, as calculated in Step 2, it's time to figure out who they are. Your million is already out there, but you must first find out who owns it. "Who's got my money?" is one of Cardone's most well-known catchphrases, because money does not magically appear. Someone out there has it, and it is your responsibility to go locate it. Understanding who your ideal customer is becomes critical because they hold your money. For example, if you offer video production services, Who will be your customers? Local businesses, real estate firms, influencers, or online enterprises. Finding out who you will service and narrowing down who they are will make it much easier to collect your money. The more particular, the better, because it allows you to determine where they are, how much money they have, what they want, and how you can deliver it. Once you've determined who has your money, it's critical not to get distracted. Cardone says your goal is to speak with them and only them so you can go receive your money. Step 5. Stay broke. As your money grows, it is quite easy to increase your costs. If your income increased from $50,000 to $120,000 per year, you would be able to buy a much nicer house, a new automobile, and perhaps an additional trip or two. However, as Cardone notes, this will not make you wealthy. Matching your revenue to your expenses will leave you at the starting point. This is not the broke Cardone refers to. As you start making more money, you don't want it sitting in your bank account because it will eventually end up somewhere else. If you have money laying around, it's easy to spend it. So Cardone advises staying broke by directing any excess funds away from you and into investment instruments that will make your money earn more money. This will accomplish 2 key tasks. 1, you begin to accumulate riches by investing your money. 2, because you don't have much money anymore, you should go back to work to earn more money. According to Cardone, starting to upgrade your life before taking care of your money is a good indicator that you would not do well financially. Step 6. Save solely to invest. Most people are taught that saving money is beneficial, but Cardone believes that saving only for the sake of saving is a bad notion. Having too much money in the bank is a loss of opportunity since unproductive money loses value year after year. If you analyze wealthy people, you will notice that the primary reason they save money is to continuously build their wealth and increase their income flow. Investing is a vital element of building wealth, but according to Cardone, you should not invest until your primary sources of income are stable and reliable. Investing entails risks, and introducing risk to your money before your primary source of income is stable and reliable can have a number of negative effects, such as needing to sell an asset to make ends meet or losing the item during a recession. Cardone suggests that if you are not yet ready to invest in financial assets, you should consider investing in your own abilities and earning potential. This can help you generate a steady and consistent income, which you can then utilize to invest in assets. Step 7. Several streams of income. Once you have a steady and reliable income, it's time to begin investing. Cardone, like many other investors, believes that the best investments are those that generate cash flow. As you begin investing, the goal is to generate as many sources of income as possible, as this is the holy grail of financial independence because it provides security because you are no longer reliant on a single source of income. Cardone advises doing everything possible to avoid walking away from any source of money, no matter how modest, until absolutely necessary. So don't quit your work just yet, at least until it starts costing you money. Step 8. Repeat, reinforce, and hyperfocus. As you progress through your financial journey, you'll want to repeat this process as many times as possible in order to establish other sources of revenue. Then strengthen your billionaire attitude and continue to improve it as your money grows, because your thinking will change when you move from 1 million to 10 million versus 0 to 1 million. Finally, stay hyper-focused on your goals, especially as you start to attain success and criticism becomes unavoidable. According to Grant Cardone's The Millionaire Booklet, in order to become a millionaire, you must first develop a millionaire mindset, perform millionaire math, increase your income, learn who has your money and go get it, stay broke until you can save and invest, and continue to generate multiple streams of income while continuing your self-education to become the best version of yourself. As we conclude, I'd like to thank you for watching. I hope you found value in this video and learned something new, and I look forward to seeing you in our future videos. I would deeply value it if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support will help us to create more valuable content, and we can work together to secure your financial future. What are the key takeaways from this video that you can share in the comment section?